Hey, what's going on? Zero Day J here as well. It's Friday, May 16th. The market closed over an hour ago. I finished streaming about an hour ago. If you were there, thank you so much for hanging out. If you weren't there, you missed out. I stream every single day for Power Hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I also stream at random times during other times of the day, like during the overnight, during London, sometimes in the pre-market before New York opens, sometimes when New York opens, sometimes during Asia. It's all random, but I'm always on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. So if you want to not only hang out with a bunch of awesome people in the chat, but also watch me trade like a degenerate, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the notifications when I do go live. Anyway, I'm in my Take Profit Trader account. As you can see, everything already updated, but I have this funded account still, my pro account. I've already taken 2 payouts on, and I have this test account here, which I pushed over today. Let me see if I could show you that one. I don't know if TradeAway is going to give the data, but I did push this over. Did I do it last night? I think I did it last night. Well, I got 3,000 into all yesterday, but it was 2 different sessions. So I'll show you where it was. Let's see. I can't do session by session, but right here, this right here. This was all of it. You could do math if you want. I don't expect you to, but I did push it over. This was the first day. This was when I first got it, and then I had to lose money on purpose. I got too much money in profit, and then I had to lose money on purpose. So I got 1,500 that day, and I got another 1,500 for today's session, but I did it last night. I did it while I was doing a whip stream. I got more than half of it, and then I finished the job when I got home. Of course, my take profit got hit after I got home, but that's besides the point. But I did take some new trades and got the job done. So that's cool. And then on this one, I just got paid on this one twice in a row, and the pro account, and then I took it for another payout this morning, and it was like sketchy because I just didn't like this price action all day today. But I did take it for another $235. Nothing huge. After Take Profit Trader takes out 20% of that, I will end up with $188, which is not a lot, right? It's not a lot. However, when you add it all up, I got, how many payouts did I get from Take Profit Trader so far this month? I was doing the math before. 720 plus 575 plus 480 plus 410 plus 235. I think that's what it was. 2,420. This is from everything from Take Profit Trader this month. 2,420 times 0.8. $1,936 for the month. It's been from taking payouts like these, and it's just adding up. The biggest thing is this particular account just got its 3rd day of getting a payout in a row. So I'm going to request this tonight and then wait for the money to get deducted from my account on Sunday, and then I'll trade again. That's the best part. I'll have the account to trade again. It will be right at the buffer. So anything over the buffer, I'll be able to request again. Maybe I could get paid a 4th day. Can I continue this for the next 15, 20 days? Obviously, I don't want to just get 235. I was trying to get a bigger move. And the move that I was looking for was I was trading gold, right? And I don't think it's going to show it. When was that? I was streaming right around this time. It was this right here, I think. Right around here. I caught this drop. I got some of it, and then I got out. I actually got stopped out first. Was it this one or was it this one? It was one of these. I got stopped out actually for a loss, and then I got back in with 2. I was trading gold, and I got the move, and I said it was going to go down more, and it did. It ended up going down more after I got out, but I was like, you know what? I already made this mistake twice before where I had an account that I was eligible to request another payout, and I got greedy, tried to get more, and I ended up giving all that back and then blowing the account the same day, instead of going into the weekend knowing I'm going to get a payout no matter how big or small it is, and that I'll have the account to trade again Sunday going into Monday's session. So I'm not making that mistake again. I didn't make that mistake again. I don't care if it's only $235. I'm taking it. It all adds up, and I still have the account. That's the biggest thing. And then on Thursday, I'll have this account, this funded account. This one right here. This will be a funded account. I just need to get my flip days in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday I should be able to activate that. So that's where I'm at with Take Profit Trader. Just so you know, they're still running their deal, 30% off any size test account, plus no activation fee. That's right. The activation fee, if you pass or when you pass, is waived. It's free. So you literally could be all in with a Take Profit Trader account that you could get paid on day one, like I've done 4 times now, and then you could get paid daily, which I've also done on 4 separate occasions, for as little as $105. All you got to do to take advantage of this deal, just put in code ZERODAYJAY. It's the best code on these profitable streets. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. I can't confirm that with actual data, but the DGen data in the chat, on the stream, in the Discord where we all hang out, tells me this is the case. You should try for yourself, especially if you want to support the channel. That's how you can, in addition to any support you've given by being a subscriber, hanging out on my streams, watching these videos, which I really appreciate. And if you don't want to use my code, no big deal. We're still cool no matter what. But it is the best code on these platform streets. You should try it for yourself if you haven't yet. All of these rules that these other platforms have don't apply to Take Profit Trader. The only thing they don't want you doing is trading news like CPI, FOMC, non-farm payroll. They don't want you trading crude oil during crude oil inventories. They don't want you trading bond-related stuff during bond auctions. And no hedging, of course. That's really it. Like I said, you could get paid after day one. You could get paid every single day. You can have as many as 500 accounts. All you got to do is clear the buffer, depending on the size account you have. These are different buffers. It's pretty straightforward. There's no more daily loss limit. They got rid of that earlier in the year. And this deal is just killer. It's the best deal that they offer. No activation fee, 30% off. Anyway, if you want to use it, put in code ZERODAYJay. If not, no big deal. Like I said, if you have any questions about any of this, leave it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.